How to report a lost or stolen Synchrony card. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a clear guide on reporting a lost or stolen Synchrony credit card. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So it's very easy. Once it happens, one of the things we can do is we can act quickly and we can report immediately to prevent the unauthorized charges. So we can directly look out for the customer service. We can go ahead and look out for the customer service, open up the customer service page, and we can look out for a general line for stolen or lost cards. So go ahead and find that option. And once you find the number, you can contact the number right there and go ahead and provide in the details. Some store specific cards may have a different number, Amazon, Lowe's, PayPal, Care Credit, etc. You can just go over and use this contact us option right there and have your account number if available and your billing zip code ready when they ask you to, give your information. And once you provide in the information, you can request a replacement card, and Synchrony will basically block out the old card immediately, and new card will be mailed to you, usually within 7 to 10 business days. You can monitor your account for unauthorized access, and you can consider setting up alerts or auto pay for your new card. And that's it. Usually, this is how you should be able to report lost or stolen Synchrony cards. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.